Good morning, guys. I figured I would do a little outfit of the day. So in Edinburgh I got this Mickey Primark thing. I figured Mickey would like this, although it looks really moody on the back. And then I've just got this old Mickey Primark t-shirt. And that's it. We are off for, well, we'll miss the start of Extra Magic Time, but we're going to do some rides, maybe see who's in the Princess Pavilion. So we will take you along with us. So we are at like the edge of the Santa Fe, and in between is the Rio Grande River. And that's the Cheyenne opposite, and there's like this really cute little waterfall. Well, we say waterfall. A little stream of water. And then obviously the Cheyenne runs all the way along that side, and we have to go all along this way. Also, if you're coming in the immediate future within the next year, at the moment, if you're staying at the Cheyenne, you will actually have to cross over to the Santa Fe to walk to the park because of the refurb of the Hotel New York. You cannot actually walk past it at the moment. It's all boarded off. So that's just a little tip for you. Good morning. So we're a little bit later than we planned, aren't we? It's about, what's the time? Well, it's just after 9, so I'm not quite sure what we're going to do. Maybe go to Fantasyland. I think the characters might be a bit too busy. Yeah, I think they are. You can see over there, that's the crowd. It's winding. So I think that's Minnie. With my dodgy eyesight, I cannot see a thing.
I can't see anything either.
Il a toujours échoué.
Joys and wonders of Cafe Hyperion for breakfast. Demolished our pain au chocolat, the best hot chocolate in the world, and I've got this circular bacon. And then you get 2 drinks. You get like a cold one as well. So he got orange, I've got water. We're going to keep them for later.
Ah, tu veux le pirate maintenant?
Are you scared?
Maybe.
Okay, so we've done, Pinocchio,
Snow White,
Snow White this morning,
and Hyperspace Mountain.
Hyperspace Mountain, we did that, and then I've basically just shown you lots of stuff. We had breakfast in Cafe Hyperion, showed you that too, and now we're going to do Buzz, so it's battle of, well, us. I'm gonna say I'm gonna win.
He wishes.
I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win. And we caught the pirates like leaving, so we got a little bit of that too. And then after this, he doesn't realise yet, but we're gonna watch it at Castle Stage. Now he does. So that's where we're off to now. Fast pass, then back to Castle Stage.
Star Command picked a fine time to send the new recruits. All right, you junior space rangers, listen up. Zerg is using the stolen battery cells to energize his secret weapon. Our mission is to find his robots and his secret weapon and blast them.
I lost! I'm devastated. Smugness. Although we're both level 3. What do we think? Also, he won Buzz. I'm not sure if you could hear what I was saying, so I don't know. But anyways, he won. I'm devastated. He's really smug about it. I am not smug. I decided the next time I'm going to go in a vehicle on my own, because that way I'll get best in vehicle, right? But what do we think? I'm not sure. It's kind of like, I need to buy them at the start of the trip because it might be pointless to buy them at the end. But they've got loads of ears in here as well. You've got the pink ones, the purple ones, the normal ones, these ones. There's loads of Mickey 90 stuff still as well, like loads. So, anyways, we're going to go back to Castle Stage now and catch some more princesses.
C'est la caractère fait la différence. Elles sont fières, déterminées, et j'adore la mode, elles sont crédibles.
C'est décidé, je ne grandirai pas. Restez un enfant, papa.
Maintenant, c'est ultime au requin, c'est ce qu'on appelle Princess Power.
Là-bas vers l'horizon, moi votre capitaine, je vous guide.
À n'importe quelle occasion,
On se met tous à chanter. C'est tout.
We're in a shop. Haven't filmed much in shops yet, actually. Should really do that. So we've just watched the princesses on Castle Stage. Lock, Shock and Barrel, Nightmare Before Christmas. And then we've just been on the river boat, Thunder Mesa riverboat thing. This shop has lots of Nightmare Before Christmas stuff. It's really, really nice. We have a reservation, I never said, at Captain Jack's at 2 p.m, which we've never been to before. All the times I've come, I've never been there before, so that's going to be different. Hopefully we'll make it seated close to the water. One can hope and pray. Please pray for me. I think we should go down here. Pont Suspendu. Look who we found. And Colonel Hathie's in the background. It's just so pretty. And then, well, he's just sitting on the rock. And you got the tree house. Sorry for the shaking, it's a suspension bridge. Stop it! Guys, I'm kind of stuck. Ooh.
Got a decent seat.
We have a decent seat. We're on the edge. I mean, we're not by the water, but I'm happy. We've ordered our food. It's really busy though. So yeah, as I just said, it was really busy. We waited, our booking was at 2, and I don't think we got seated till like 20 past 2. It's really dark in here. But can't wait. We've ordered from the 7 Seas menu. We've got 3 courses. We're having alcohol. You can't not when you come to Captain Jack's. He likes his rum. I don't like rum. I'm having beer. And then we're not quite sure what the plan is afterwards. We're just gonna play it by ear, I guess. Haven't bought anything yet. No shopping. An autograph book and pen I haven't even used yet. That's all I've bought. And that was yesterday. So I'll show you all the food when it comes.
And behind you. Mickey everywhere. Allez, look the phone first.
Hello again. So we've actually decided to come, well no, we haven't decided. We need to come back to the room. I forgot my phone charger and I brought cables but no phone charger, and I, need it to charge my phone up so I can film. But what we've actually decided to do is we're not going to do the Star Wars stuff tonight, we're going to do it tomorrow instead. It's really windy, so I don't know if that'll affect the nighttime show like on the Tower of Terror, so we actually don't know what we're going to do. Nathan's away to sort his room key. It's not letting him in the room, it's letting him in the park, which is fine because it's like a special magic card, magic pass, something like that, which has everything on the one thing now, so that's quite good. So I'm just off to the room, and it's really weird because, sorry, I'm just getting my bearings. We're in a block which is just ground and first floor, but to get to the first floor, the stairs are actually outside, so that would be a bit of a nightmare if it's raining, wouldn't it? But I'll show you it when I get there. Here it is, home sweet home. We are that room, right there, and these are the outside stairs. And we are, as I say, just this first room on the right. Kind of pathetic. Again. You alright, Stitch? No, he's not alright. So, as you might tell by the noise, we are in the sports bar. We got soaked, well, we got wet in the studios basically. We went over to, we weren't actually really sure. We were like, oh, there's an hour, we'll go and do some stuff. We did rock and roll and it was completely soaking when, it got heavier, the rain, when we got out. So I changed into my jacket with a hood, even though it's still thin, but I've got a hood now. And we've come to the sports bar. for a cheap night because obviously we had Captain Jack's today, which was quite pricey. Tomorrow we have Auberge, which is even more expensive, but I'm very excited to dine with the princesses. I'm so happy to do that again. We did it 3 years ago. It's the only time I've ever done it, so I'm very excited tomorrow to do it again. Can't wait for the food, princesses, and just the loveliness. So we're having, as I say, something cheap. I'm having chicken nuggets and chips. He's having pasta bolognese. And then we're going to wander some shops, and I might actually buy something tonight. Chicken nuggets and chips. You've got your pasta bolognese, bucket load of condiments, and our 2 beers. Perfect on a wet and windy night. We're in the gallery shop, and I really want Lumiere because I already have Cogsworth. I'm filming.
Oh.
Dear boy. So if you wrap your way around up this like slope, you'll get to this castle. Well, this is just beautiful. It's just a shame that the trees weren't square. That's my only little nitpick. But how stunning is this? I've also done a little bit of damage on some pins. But the artwork is just stunning. I've got like all these Star Wars things here. 149, 150 for some droids. Got Jin. No, it's not Jin, it's Kylo Ren and Rey. 149. And BB-8 looking adorable. I just love how the Santa Fe looks at night, just all of the cars' lights along the top of the blocks. It's just so pretty. It's also a little bit windy, so I do apologise for that. We are now back in the room. It's, I think, close to 10 o'clock. I decided to have an early night tonight. Because we wanted to get into the park for 8:30 today, and I think it was just after 9, I think it was. Queues for characters were already quite long, so I'd like to try and meet one character tomorrow during extra magic time, but I think we're doing the Studios Park, so I think we're going to try and make a beeline for Crush, and then see if there's any characters about after that, do some rides over there, and then we will be back in the main park for Auberge at 2:30, which I am incredibly excited about. Today has been a really nice day despite the weather. We've actually done quite a few rides today actually. We did Snow White, Pinocchio, we did Fast Pass for Peter Pan, we did Rock and Roller Coaster in the studios, and well, it was completely and utterly chucking it down. That was the last ride we did. And we also did, what else did we do?
We did Hyperspace Mountain.
Hyperspace Mountain. Oh, Buzz Lightyear where he won, but you saw that. We're going to do... we still need to do like Star Tours, and I think we're doing the Star Wars stuff at the studio tomorrow, weather permitting. The forecast doesn't look too good, but we'll see what the weather's like tomorrow. I don't tend to go off the forecast because it always constantly changes. So I hope that there's been enough footage for today, because looking back over it, it doesn't look like there's too much. So that means a short vlog for you guys. But anyways, if you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to check out the rest of the vlogs, because I promise that they will get better. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys.